is Tanya Henderson, and I am presenting for the DynamicsCon in San Antonio in, I think, about a month. And I have Miss Power BI with me today, Miss Belinda Allen. How are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing great. Thanks. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. So we're going to talk about Power BI today. Is that what we're talking about? So we can get everybody promoted and to come see us talk?
Power BI with hints of Power Automate and Power Apps too.
Ooh, oh, that's right. I forgot. And I
Yeah,
will say, this is our first time ever getting to speak together, which I'm so excited about.
too. How has that not happened before now?
I don't know. We both in this been in the same space for I don't know what, maybe 10 years. Should I say
Hmm.
that? And just the Power BI in 10 years. Yeah, we've been in
Uh,
GP for a long time.
yeah,
Yeah, so
exactly. But I'm
so
super excited about both of what we're showing at DynamicsCon. I think it's going to provide a lot of wows and aha moments.
I'm very excited about that. So what are we going to talk about?
Well, some of the things that I'm going to talk about again are the introduction of some Power Apps and Power Automate inside of Power BI. It makes Power BI significantly more functional on top of Business Central. So that's a real exciting aspect to me. There's a lot of actions you could take based off of the knowledge that you learn inside of Power BI on your Business Central data. So why not just take some actions on it? Should be fun. Like if you
Awesome.
add a new customer, if there's a list of things that you need to do, you know you've added in new customers, why don't you just do the list and then you could even tag where you are in the list right from the Power BI report. Why not, right?
Yes. Is this the one we talked about in Excel that we were looking at? The list?
Um, no, I'm gonna
Oh,
surprise you with some new
oh,
stuff, but
oh,
no.
okay.
No, yeah, the
Awesome.
Excel stuff is very exciting too. And I know you're going to show people about using Power BI where they work.
I am. I'm doing a lot of BC stuff. So that's kind of, the data set that I've been working on a lot recently, financials and BC and of course jobs.
Mm.
I've always been a project job person, so some pretty
Yes,
cool
you
stuff
have.
around that. So I'm super excited about that too.
And I'm
So
excited that we're both going to be showing different pieces of financial data inside of Power BI as well. It should be real exciting. And I know we're going to have some great tips for our Business Central users as we go along. So, like one of the tips that I always talk about is dealing with your end closing entries when you're looking at reporting inside of Power BI, and maybe using some better DAX functionality to be able to get it looking a little more reporting like, and even some custom visuals that do require a little bit of extra cost, but provide you with a traditional looking financial statement on top of Business Central. Although I'm a big fan of account schedules as well. I don't know how you fall on the account schedule discussion. Seems to be a bit of controversy between people I talk to, but for the traditional looking one, I think it works really fine. But the BI will give you insights like nobody's business. There's business intelligence built right in, and it doesn't take a lot to set it up and use it. I mean, very, very little. Getting a good data model pretty much does it for you. So
mhm.
um, showing people the capacity of Power BI beyond the traditional report writer is going to be what is so darn powerful for everyone. So I cannot wait.
It should be a lot of fun. We've got a lot of information that we're going to go over. We're going to try to cover, and I'm sure they can find us somewhere else if they have extra questions because we'll be hanging around. So,
Absolutely, absolutely. I will
yeah.
have my computer handy and I'll probably be wearing a mask since things are heating up again, but I am willing to chat about anything in the Power Platform space, especially my beloved Power BI, with anyone who wants to talk.
And she'll also have a mask up here because I have her already set for that.
Uh-oh.
I already have the capes ordered and I got the mask ordered. So, you got to dress up if you're hanging out with me.
Uh-oh. Okay.
It'll be fun.
It will
And
be
so,
fun. It will be
yeah,
fun.
some other things that Belinda and I were playing with this morning while we were getting ready was, and we had our little phones out, and so we were doing
We
Power BI
did.
on our phones, and then I think we also didn't we kind of synced our little watches here. Yeah, so we
Yeah.
we put Power BI on our watch. So this was some of the other stuff we were talking about was how to consume that data, and we're like, I always tell people, I'm like, you can even do it on your watch. And so Belinda's gonna say what some of the you'll have to come to the session to find out, why would you put it on your watch, what is it helpful. so
There
so
are a lot of cool things that you could do with that. Yeah.
Yep, absolutely. So, well, I think we've taken up enough of everybody's time, but we hope everyone will join us in San Antonio, and I think it's the 14th through the 16th.
That is right. And our session, no doubtedly, will be filled with wows, ahas, and laughter.
Yes, it will be. We don't let Belinda throw balls anymore because she hits
Yeah.
people, but we might
Yeah,
have to
no,
come up with something for our session.
that's right.
So,
Right. Why not? Right.
yep. Well, thank you everyone for joining us, and we look forward to seeing everyone in San Antonio. All right. Love you too.